Join me here. Let's draw Miss Rabbit as a fancy limousine service driver. She's all dressed up with her uniform and ready to drive a long, shiny limo. Ready? Let's go! Miss Rabbit always wears her professional chauffeur suit when driving the limo. What do you think of Miss Rabbit's fancy suit? Would you like to wear one too? Look, Miss Rabbit has opened her eyes. She enjoys glancing around. Do you think Miss Rabbit keeps her limo super clean or a little messy? Let's guess. She's great at navigating. She knows all the shortcuts. If Miss Rabbit could drive you anywhere, where would you want to go? Maybe to a birthday party? I like that too. Nice work! Miss Rabbit as a limousine service driver looks so fancy and fun. Now, let's bring her to life with colors. Grab your crayons or markers and let's make her colorful. Miss Rabbit loves playing fun music for her passengers. What fun songs do you think she plays in her limo? Something cheerful, I bet. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button so you don't miss any new videos. Rabbit is picking up today? Maybe Peppa and George? What would you bring along for a limo ride? A snack, a toy, or a friend? I'll bring them all, for sure. Miss Rabbit loves surprising her passengers with a basket of treats during the ride. Do you think Miss Rabbit likes her job as a limo driver? I bet she has so much fun. Want to take a ride in a limousine? It will be fascinating. Wonderful! Miss Rabbit as a limousine driver looks amazing. We did such a great job. Thank you for drawing with me today. See you next time, and keep being creative.